I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to register Binance in USA Easy Guide. Start by visiting Binance US and clicking Sign Up, then enter your email and create a secure password. Verify your email, complete basic profile details, and upload your ID and proof of address for KYC verification. While waiting, set up an authenticator app and read fee schedules to choose the best deposit option. Stay patient and double-check all uploads before submitting. Before you proceed with buying or trading, complete identity verification fully to unlock fiat services. Make sure your ID photos are sharp, uncut, and well-lit, and provide a matching selfie when requested for liveness confirmation. Review the accepted ID types and ensure your proof of address matches what you entered on the form. Proper verification speeds up approval and prevents holds on deposits or withdrawals. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading long how-to guides effortless with its waterproof design and crisp display, perfect for learning on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one if interested. And now let's get back to the video. After verification, fund your account using a linked bank or card to start trading. Always make a small test transfer first to confirm banking details and timing. Turn on withdrawal whitelist and enable SMS or email alerts to monitor transactions. Keep your authenticator app backup codes in a safe place and consider hardware wallets for long-term crypto storage. Regularly review account permissions and revoke suspicious third-party access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.